welcome back to another vlog. My name is Ken, also known as MrKenDenis. So I'm currently at a shopping centre. I need to get my eyes fitted for new contact lenses, so I'm going into Specsavers to get my new contact lenses fitted. I've got a new prescription, so they want to test it out to see if it's going to work for me. Hopefully it does, because I'm kind of sick of having really horrible vision. And then I'm going to take you guys along with me shopping, because I need to grab a couple of things here at the shopping centre. I'm going to go to Kmart as well, so I know you guys enjoy that kind of stuff, so you guys will see me do that. And I also wanted to officially announce the new vlogging channel. You guys have probably seen me do posts on Instagram and also here on YouTube, but I've got a new vlogging channel, so it's called Life of Ken. I've uploaded some of my old content on there, but I've also got new content as well, so if you guys would like to watch that, I'll leave a link down in the description box down below, and also the eye on the screen. I think I can do that, but anyway, let's go. So I'll go to Kmart in a second. Just need to do my eye stuff first. Alright, just finished at the optometrist. Now I'm going to head over to Harris Scarf. I'm here to look for maybe pots and pans. I don't really have a huge budget, but I want to have a look here because sometimes at Harris Scarf they basically have a lot of sales. I think it's kind of like TK Maxx for Canada, where they buy a lot of bulk things and then they are probably not necessarily the new stock, but they're like super heavily discounted sometimes. I think that's how it works here at Harris Scarf. So I just want to have a look at their pots and pans. So it's kind of like this. It says 50% off, 40% off. Like they're not exactly the cheapest sort of like pots and pans, but the fact that they are like well-known brands and stuff and they're quite inexpensive, I don't really feel like it's too bad. I feel like it's worth the investment. So something like this, Tefal, I don't know how to pronounce it. I see a lot of people use these in their videos when they're cooking, and it seems to be a really good brand, and they've got like the little references of like how much the sale is, so I don't really want anything too excessive. Something maybe like that, like the 25 centimeter or 26 is going to be enough. Actually these are like pancake ones. I don't want that. I want like a proper fry pan. Yeah, maybe this one. This one's 69. This is normally 69, and now it's like $40. I'll think about it, because I'm here to look at other stores as well. It's just the one that we have at home. I got it like years ago from Coles, and that one just, it's everything is literally sticking to it. Alright, there's this other brand called Smith & Noble. I think I've seen this as well. I think it's a well-known brand. I could be wrong. I could be making it up, but this is also 50% off, and they have heaps of selections. I'm looking for something like that. I feel like something like that would be good. So apparently their whole homeware section is 50% off, 40% off, sorry. So I'm grabbing one of their silicone wooden spoons. I need that for like cooking. Oh cute, they have like all these really cute designs for trays, baking trays. I think at one point I'm going to invest in something like this, like the really deep muffin ones. The one I have from Kmart, they're not very deep, they're just quite shallow and small. Okay, I'm pretty much done here at the homeware section. Obviously Harris Scarf has got all of the other departments like clothing, shoes and stuff, so if you guys would like good bargains, definitely check out Harris Scarf. Oh yeah, and they also have like these big sets, so if you guys would like to save money, but again, we already have other things at home, so I just need to grab little bits and pieces here and there. Yeah, so now I'm here at Kmart, and I'm just having a little browse, just for some of the makeup that I might be using for an upcoming video. I actually kind of want to do like an OXX video, maybe on something like this. I just want to see what other colours and palettes they have, but that one seems to be pretty good. So right now I'm standing in front of the OXX Studio, which I believe is Kmart's own brand. So I kind of just want to pick out one or two things, just to do another sort of like trying out Kmart makeup video. Trying to look for their palettes. Oh, there they are at the bottom. They're only $10, so that's not too bad. I'm deciding whether or not I want the big one or I want the small ones. Alright, I might go for this sort of like cool toned one, because Jeffree Star's just released his cremated palette, so I think they've got very similar colours. I kind of want to do a look similar to that. Ooh, they've got $3 foundations and concealers. This guys, it may turn out horribly or it may turn out wonderfully, so we will try it out. I think I can wear one of these darker shades. Okay, I've changed my mind. I found this. This is their Smokey Palette, 28 shade. Kind of reminds me of the Urban Decay Naked Smoke palette, like in terms of the colour selection, so I think I'll grab this instead. Okay, next stop is Chemist Warehouse. I want to check out some of the Flower Power makeup so I can do a Chemist Warehouse trying makeup video. Another inexpensive brand here at Chemist Warehouse is W7. If you guys would like me to do a video on W7 makeup, like a full face, definitely let me know. I've reviewed some of their products before. It's kind of hit and miss, to be honest. I'm sorry, it's not called Flower Power, it's called Flower Beauty. I just kept calling it Flower Power. I might try some of their base products, just so I can say it's a Chemist Warehouse video. Okay, final two stops will be Priceline, and then there's a Target just at the end of this shopping centre, like at the end of this wing. So I'm just going to grab a couple of things from Priceline because I still have a gift card. I want to finish like doing a Priceline makeup tutorial, and then I'll see if they've got some Chi makeup still at this Target. The last time I went here, the Chi section was like bare. Okay, I found myself in the lash section, and some of these lashes, so pretty. Anyway, I'm here to try and look for, like, I guess, very Priceline exclusive makeup. Okay, now I'm looking at the Essence makeup. I think I might grab one of their eyeshadow palettes. Maybe this, the Rose edition, because I've got so many nude palettes, I feel like it's so overdone. Let's add some colour. Can I do it one-handed? Yes, I can. So that's what that palette looks like. And then I don't need an eyeshadow base. I think that's the only thing that really interests me at the moment. And we are home. And you guys can probably see those boxes in the back. I'll show you guys what they are in a second. But yeah, that was a pretty good shopping day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoy that kind of stuff, definitely, like I said, check out my vlogging channel. For the time being, I am going to still be uploading a couple of vlogs here and there on this channel. I might vlog more. If I am going to be putting a vlog, it's going to be like makeup related stuff on here, and then just sort of like the normal lifestyle stuff over there. Obviously there's going to be some bleeding in between here and there, but yeah, if you guys would like, if you guys enjoy my vlogs in general, I'd really appreciate it if you guys hit the subscribe button on that channel. Again, the links will be down in the description box down below, and on the eye if I can do that. If you guys watch my stories on Instagram, you guys know that I love Harvest Snap by Calbee. So they sent me, so cool, thank you so much. They have sent me 2 full boxes of the sour cream and chive flavor. Oh, so thankful, thank you so much. So you get only 80 calories per serve, so I think you get 2 or 3 servings in one of these bags. Honestly, I demolished the whole bag to myself, but yeah, if you guys are looking for like nicer, if you guys are looking for alternatives to, let's say, potato chips, crisps, definitely check Harvest Snaps out. I do believe they're available worldwide, but if you guys live in Australia, I believe they are available both at Coles and Woolworths, but I normally get mine from Coles. Alright, so we have entered the filming room. Let me try and pop you guys down at a comfortable angle. Yeah, so so as you guys can see, I have rearranged the room again. So I've kind of put it back to how I used to have it when I used to film for Maybelline. Obviously I still have the backdrop, and I've also still got the glamour mirror and stuff, but yeah, I kind of wanted to change things around. I was starting to get a bit bored, to be completely honest, with just the white background. The white background looks great for Instagram because obviously just plain background, and it's just, yeah, you get the point. Aesthetically it was great, but I'm kind of bored of that look, to be completely honest. I actually wanted to take backdrop from behind me and then just put it on that wall, so you know, if I'm like filming from that direction, I had the brick wall, faux brick wall behind me, but it's just a little bit hard to move things around at the moment. You guys can't see, but there's a lot of like boxes in this room. So like from furniture and stuff that we've purchased, like all the boxes are here, and we haven't really gone to the tip to get rid of it. So here in Australia, if you guys have like a large amount of like rubbish or boxes, like big boxes from furniture, TV units, that sort of stuff, you have to either get it collected or you take it to the tip. But we've been just so busy that we haven't really had the chance to do that. But I think because I have some time now and restrictions are slowly lifting, we should aim to do that. We actually, my partner and I actually spoke, we should probably do it by next week. And then after that I will consider moving that, and then maybe swapping the filming yet again. As much as I like that glamour mirror, I don't know, I don't really feel like filming with it all the time in the background. I don't know, it's just me kind of like playing around in my head about what I want to do. But I also really want to, I'm also considering getting a different backdrop as well. I've been seeing these ads on Instagram. Actually all apps in general are really good. That's why, you know, those cookies, yeah, if you search for one thing on a website, chances are you'll see ads for that sort of thing, or ads for similar products in the next few minutes or hours. Something was in my lash. Yeah, so I've been seeing so many cute designs, and honestly I have been a bit envious of other YouTubers or content creators in general. And I think that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I know I have plugged the new channel so many times, but yeah, if you guys enjoy my vlogs, make sure you guys head over there, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the content that I produce over there as well. Honestly, it's not going to be that much different from what I've been posting on this channel already, just maybe less beauty, but yeah, that's pretty much it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.